Welcome back here with India Business Hour. It's seen several economic cycles, competition and ever-changing customer tastes. And after 2 decades of being around in the market, Woodland India seems just as excited about the future as it was when it started out. With the economic mood lifting across the country, the outdoor apparel and shoemaker is now strapping up to make the most of improving customer sentiment. Zara Khan and Farah Bukwala report.
Woodland has been selling hiking boots and outdoor gear to Indians for over 20 years. Call it the first mover advantage or its unique product positioning. But the outdoor apparel maker saw its top line grow almost tenfold from 100 crore rupees in early 2000 to 1,000 crore rupees last year. The company, however, is in no mood to break the journey. In fact, it is gearing up to march on at an even quicker pace, at a rate of 30% annual growth to be precise.
We've been growing for the past 4-5 years by almost about 20-25%, and it's been very consistent. And of course, there are certain months which are lean months, but overall on the year we make around 20-25% growth. This year, in fact, we are trying to get it to 30%.
Woodland says it will close fiscal 2015 with a turnover of 1,300 crore rupees. It will be rolling out 50 to 60 stores across the country this year to achieve that target. The expansion will be at an investment of around 100 crore rupees and will be funded through internal accruals. However, adding brick and mortar stores is only part of the growth plan. With Indians flocking to the internet to buy apparel, Woodland is also looking at boosting its online presence to augment sales.
We launched our e-commerce site almost about 4 years back. And it's over every year we are growing, doubling our business over there. And apart from this, all these other online partners, we have been growing. Yes, recently there have been some cases where they have been giving discounts and offers which were not with our permission. And of course, even our stores suffered because of that. So we called them and we try to, make an arrangement so that either we make a separate line for them, or probably we control them and not allow them giving any discounts on our regular articles.
Online sales currently contribute 10 to 15% to Woodland's overall revenue. The company expects this number to go up to 30% in the near future. According to retail consultancy Technopak, India's shoe industry is a $10 billion market growing at 15% every year. And with consumer sentiment picking up and direct competitors like Timberland on the verge of a complete shutdown in India, Woodland has perhaps hit the right road to growth. In Mumbai, this is Zara Khan.